Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to split models in Ultimaker Cura. So let's get straight into it. Now, I assume you uploaded the model, which has multiple parts. And as you can see now, I can move just all of them. All right. So now what I'm going to do is basically ungroup them. So what we are going to do is just press on them. You will see this blue uh, around them. So it means that it's selected. Also here you will see this toolbar. Now right click on that and right down here, ungroup models. Click on that. It will take a few moments, but now we have separated these models. So now I can move and edit one by one. So as you can see, and yeah, this is the one way to split models in Ultimaker Cura. So yeah, I think this is pretty cool way to do that. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next